What is going on, investors? My name's Emmanuel, and I just stumbled across a contract that I've not seen many people talk about. So this is a relatively new contract, and I think the components of this contract really emphasizes how powerful of a position Palantir is. So in this video, we're going to break this down because I think it's very important that you're made aware of this leaked contract, which expired just a few days ago, but we haven't heard anything with regards to the outcome. As well as that, tomorrow is double click demo event day. I am so pumped. Investors, look, I even have it written down on my board, okay? The double click demo event is tomorrow. If you're a serious Palantir shareholder, you have to be present for this double click event. I might be able to stream it live. So if I do, you'll see it pop up, but I can't make any promises yet because I do have some responsibilities tomorrow, but I'm trying to get out of my responsibilities so that we can live stream and watch the double click demo event together. So hopefully we can. And lastly, I want to go through some price action, share some key support and resistance levels that I've found and what my expectations are following the double click event. So before we dive into that, make sure you smash the like button, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell if you want to see more video content from me. Also, make sure you check out my Discord. We have a dedicated Palantir channel and we have been buzzing all day after today's 8% plus move. I'm now officially in the green. Thank you for all those dips because I've got a great average that I'm really proud of. But forget all that. Let's dive straight into the contract. Okay, so this contract is from the Department of Defense, okay? And the sub tier is the Department of the Air Force, okay? Now, if you scroll down, they give some general information with regards to the contract itself. So the original published date of the contract was on the 1st of April, and the original response date was for the 10th of April, okay? So let's dive deep into the description, okay? So again, the date of when they proposed it was on the 1st of April. The contract office zip code is 01730, and then they give the contracting address. Now, the subject. It's for the period of performance extension for pandemic case management suites. So that's PCMS, data integration. So whenever you hear a contract that's to do with data analytics or data integration, in my opinion, there is none better than Palantir. The close response date is on the 10th of April. And who was it contracted to? Palantir. Palantir, no one else. All right. So it was assigned to Palantir. And the description of the contract is this modification will extend the period of performance of the PCMS data integration purchase order. This modification will be executed via a limited sources justification in accordance with FAR 8.405-6 A1B. But this is the kicker. Only one source is capable of providing the supplies or services required at the level of quality required because the supplies or the services are unique and highly specialized. Only one source is capable. Yo, this is huge. This is game over, in my opinion. If you've ever doubted Palantir, this pretty much shuts down any bear argument. The Department of Defense have literally said, you are the only one that can do this. It says it right here, point blank, only one source is capable of providing the supplies or the services required at the level of quality required because the supplies or the services are unique or highly specified. If that wasn't the case, they wouldn't have worded it like this, okay? You've got to look at the verbiage of this text, and it's absolutely phenomenal. And when you see all these bears trying to compare Palantir with the likes of Salesforce, with the likes of Google, I mean, I'm sorry, this puts all arguments to bed. Palantir is in a league of its own. It's the only one capable of being able to fulfill this contract. And I think this is just unbelievable. I mean, when you think about a company's moat, you're always looking for its competitive advantage. Palantir has no competition. There is no competitor. We have a unique opportunity to invest in a company whereby there is zero competitors. No one else can do this contract according to the Department of Defense, and that is just a strong position to be in. This modification will provide the government additional support and access to proprietary Palantir software code and software licenses for the PCMS dashboard. Game over. I'm sorry, bears, shh, with that argument that, you know, there's a lot of competition. There is no competition, okay? there is no competition. Now, let's move on to tomorrow's double click event. So this is a news article that pretty much summarizes the basics of the double click event for tomorrow. Okay, so it's a Palantir shares closed up 8.9% today as the company prepares for the double click demo event, which kicks off tomorrow at 11 a.m. ET. So 11 a.m. ET is pretty much 3 o'clock UK time. All right. So I know a lot of people will probably be at work tomorrow, so we might not be able to catch the live stream. Like, I'm trying to get out of my responsibilities as well, so I'm not entirely sure whether I'll be available at 3 p.m. But it should be fun. Okay. So of course the market opens at 2:30. So expect Palantir's share price tomorrow to be extremely volatile. All right. But yeah, it's 3 p.m. tomorrow. The event is the first in a series of double click demos. We'll focus on the use of Palantir's Foundry software in the life sciences and industrial verticals, okay? Now, Palantir's software can be used in a variety of industries. And the whole point of these double-click events, these demo days, is to show the power of Palantir's software specific to that industry. So the next double-click demo event will be for entirely different industries. So tomorrow's one is focused on the life sciences and industrial verticals. And it highlights here that the current existing Palantir customers in these verticals are the likes of Merck, 3M, PG&E, and the NHS. You know, we already know that these are already customers of Palantir's Foundry software. However, with this demo day, if you are a blue chip in these industries and you see the power of the Foundry software, then you might start to get a good idea of how it can be integrated into your business and potentially boost revenues via efficient decision making. Because one of the key strengths of Palantir software is being able to quantify all of the data, all of the analytics, and provide the customer or the client with actionable solutions. And that's one of the powerful things about the Foundry software. And the whole essence of the double click demo event is to get more commercial clients on board. And then the more commercial clients we get on board, the more revenue Palantir will generate. It's just simply beautiful. Okay. With that said, I can't wait for tomorrow's double click demo event. Let's take a look at the share price. We had a great day today. All right. We had a great day today. We were up 8.9% on the day. Now, I can officially say, for all you Palantir bears that have left negative comments in the comment section saying, you know, day 900 of buying the Palantir dip, I want to say, shh, once again, it's time to pipe down, okay? Okay, let's not get ahead of ourselves, okay? Because it was a good day. Let's be honest, it was a good day. I'm officially in the green. But tomorrow is going to be extremely volatile. Now, as you can see, looking back in the past, it's previously tested these levels on multiple occasions. This is going back to December. And the last time it tested these levels was around the February time. And then fast forward to March on the 15th, we retested it and rebounded. And then we had that massive pullback. And here we are again, we're about to approach that key level of resistance. So if we kill tomorrow's double click event, then we could potentially have enough momentum behind it to break through the resistance. If not, we might retest this support. Again, this is a multi-month support level that I've highlighted. It tested this key support level back in December and then once again in January. And then most recently tested this support level in March. And it's been hovering around this support level once again. So depending on how tomorrow goes, if it is a success, I believe this support level could hold. But if it's a train wreck, then we could potentially break through the support level and continue lower. Now, I've been hearing people say that today's run was fueled by buy the rumor, sell the news. It is a possibility, okay? It is a possibility of buy the rumor, sell the news. And if that turns out to be true, then this support level may not hold. But I honestly think it will hold. It'll be great to see it hold. But if it doesn't, and you know, if we go down into the teens, then I'm buying more because nothing about the fundamentals or the financials would have changed for me, and I am bullish long term. So let me know your thoughts with regards to the share price. What do you expect to happen tomorrow in the double click event? Also, let me know what you think about this contract. What's your opinion on it? I know I'm slightly biased in my view. Of course, I'm a shareholder. I am going to be biased. But it says it right here. There's only one source capable. And for me, that shuts down any argument of Palantir having competition in my book. But yeah, let me know in the comment section below. I always read your comments. But remember, none of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, so please view my content as purely educational. If you do want to learn about investing in stocks, there are some useful links in the description below, including some books that I highly recommend. Make sure you smash the like button, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell if you want to see more content from me. Thank you so much for watching once again, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.